start living like a celebrity? Well, I'm here to help. With some celebrity inspiration and $1,000, it's time for a makeover. This is You Wish You Lived Here.
Hey, it's me, Najoni. I'm in serious need of a home revamp. I do social media, so of course that means I work from home and I do my own videos and I do my own photos. Rihanna's my inspiration and she has spice in her life, so it needs to be more exciting. Help me, help my Riri dreams come true.
Here we go. Hey, Najoni.
Hi.
I heard you want your place Rihanna-Inspired.
Yes, hello.
Let's see your space.
As you can see, I have a California king bed.
Yeah,
Hello,
you do.
California king bed. Then I have like my boring white desk over there.
Is this where you shoot and work on all your videos?
It is. This is where I edit. This is where I get my inspiration.
This closet is something really special to this apartment, and I feel like we could take advantage of that.
I should walk in here and I should walk out feeling glamorous.
Tell me why you chose Rihanna as your celebrity inspiration.
I just all around respect her and love her so much, from, you know, her style to her music. You know, she's about uplifting community and I'm the same.
You're both clearly queens.
Thank you.
So let me fix your home.
Yes, please.
Okay. Here's the plan. Since Rihanna is from Barbados, we're going to bring the island vibes with lots of Caribbean colors and textures. We'll overhaul her desk area and create tons of cool selfie-worthy backdrops. Her stories are about to be next level. Now we gotta get to work. Work, work, work. Let's go. February 22nd is National Rihanna Day in Barbados. She's kind of a big deal. We're gonna spice up Najoni's place with some tropical wall coverings, but instead of wallpaper, we're gonna use something far more affordable and renter-friendly. Fabric. Using tacks, pin the fabric to the wall, leaving some overhang. Coat a few inches of the wall with removable spray adhesive. Quickly lay the fabric over the wall. Once you've done this, you can cut the overhang off with a utility knife. Dunsies. Grab some cardboard. Cut a piece of your favorite fabric and fit the cardboard and glue it on. Think up a mantra and write it in sticky letters. Add a paper tape border. Grab a brush and paint your canvas. Once it's dry, peel off the stickers. Lastly, add a frame. Easy as that. Caribbean vibes only. Who else is obsessed with Rihanna's lemon? I know I am, which is why we're making Najoni her very own DIY lemon doormat. First, buy a half-circle doormat like this one. Grab some lemon yellow colored paint. Spray the entire doormat. Once it's dry, apply your lemon stencils using thumbtacks to keep it sturdy. Paint between the stencils, starting with a small amount of paint. Remove the stencils and voila! Najoni needed a little excitement in her space that screamed pop princess. We definitely brought those tropical vibes for our bad girl Nene. Let's see what she thinks. Okay, Najoni, check out your new space.
I've never had so much color in my life. Oh my God, this doesn't feel real.
We wanted your entryway to even have a little bit of your glamorous pop, so we made you your very own lemon doormat.
I put the wood.
We gave your room two-tone walls, which is currently a huge design trend. They add a pop of color and keep the room light and airy.
I love them.
Good, I'm so glad. We took the top of your desk and added hairpin legs to the bottom. It's the easiest, most affordable way to take an old piece of furniture and make it newly pop.
This looks way better than mine. Didn't match. This matches.
We bought you a ton of new plants for your room, but Najoni, you know that means you need to water them, right?
Of course.
Okay. Najoni, now let's see what's behind this star-studded door. Oh my goodness!
I never had a vanity before.
You deserve one.
Thank you, and I love the mannequin.
Does it remind you of Rihanna's dress from the gala?
Yes, and now I can put my amazing outfits on there.
Yeah! I'm sure you know what this is in reference to.
Under my umbrella. Ella. Hey guys, this is Najoni, and I am here with
Dylan. We did all these Rihanna-inspired upgrades for just $991.22. Caribbean vibes on a budget.
So I absolutely love my apartment. I am now realizing how important it is to have color all around you, and it is amazing.
Oh, hi. Do you wish you lived here? Because I do. Subscribe for more episodes of You Wish You Lived Here.